Hello, today we will be trying out this remote controlled stunt drone. Check this out. So it comes with a remote control, it's all wireless. The drone, it's got a battery and it can be charged. There's a USB charging cable there. It also comes with two AA alkaline batteries that fit into the remote, and this is the box it comes in. So it's a remote control stunt drone. These are the specification. It's got an altitude sensor. It can do flips and lots of different types of stunts. It needs to be used in an open area, so I will be using this in a park. So yeah, it comes with some extra parts. So it's got some extra propellers in there. It also has a screwdriver in there to open the screws. That's really useful, very good that is. This is available to buy from Lidl. Okay, so let's go and check this out. Let's see what it's all about.
You have to be on a flat surface on entry because on that. There we are. It's quite difficult to control, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's go back again. There we go. That's the altitude. Take it around. Okay, so this is the Whoa. Did you see that? Did you catch that?
I think so.